If you open the desktop version of pdfToolbox, the first thing you will notice is the switchboard. And the switchboard, as you can see here, is this smartphone-like interface, and it should be the first place that you should explore if you are new to pdfToolbox, because it provides easy-to-use actions for common use cases. So if the switchboard is not visible by default, that is not a problem. You can always open it using the Tools menu and then go to Switchboard, or you can simply click the switchboard icon here at the left side panel. The main window of the switchboard always have this functionality groups. So these groups are grouped into different functionality parts. For example, the Arrange group has all the tasks you need to do for impositioning. You have a large format specific group with all the common tasks for this one. You also have a group if you want to convert your PDF file into a PDF standard, and so on. And if you have selected one of the groups, you can see all the available actions of this group. So for example, for colors, you can convert the PDF into black and white, you can convert all spot colors into process colors, and so on. And if I select one of the actions, sometimes, as it is in this case, you don't have any settings at all. As I said, it is intended for easy to use actions, so all you have to do is to click the execute button and pdfToolbox will run it on your PDF file that is currently open. But of course, there are also actions where you can set some settings. For example, if you want to adjust your spot colors in your document, let's just simply do it to show you how easy it is. So instead of colors red, we want to have a colors blue. Let me just simply adjust the colors here a little bit. And if I say now execute, you can see pdfToolbox will run this switchboard action and convert this spot color into my other spot color. And here you can also see processing is completed and the result is as expected. By clicking here this show all icon, you can always go back to the main window. So let me maybe show you also another option that the switchboard provides, and let me use the generate bleed action, because of course that's also a common use case to generate bleed to a PDF file. And what I want to show you is that next to the execute button you also have this batch button here, and this is not available for all the actions but for some of them, and you can use it to do a batch processing. And that means you can select a folder and you can process up to 100 PDF files in one go. So if you want to know how the batch processing in the switchboard works, we have a separate video for that, so we will link it below. And maybe what I also wanted to mention here in this context is that the switchboard, as I said, and as you also saw now, are easy to use actions. So of course they are limited in the way how they can be configured. And what I also wanted to make sure here is, because some assume that the switchboard functionality is everything you can do with pdfToolbox, and of course that is not true, because it should be the first starting point and also something that you can quickly use to do straightforward things. But if you want to do more advanced things that need a lot of customizable setting options, you always should go with a profile, a process plan, or a fix-up in pdfToolbox.